Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy vegetarian recipe. I'm going to make lima beans. These are baby lima beans and these are frozen. It's a 1 pound, 454 gram. I'm going to make it with sweet potatoes. I'm going to peel it and going to cut into small, nice cube-sized pieces. All the spices will be half teaspoon each: salt, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder, black pepper. 1 diced onion, it's a small size. 1 teaspoon ginger, cumin seed, red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon each, and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. For our tadka, olive oil. Sweet potato, peel, cut into small pieces and wash. With the lima beans, they are frozen, I washed with the cold water as well. Let's start making lima bean sabzi. Get a fry pan, start gas, and keep the gas on high. Olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll add cumin seed, jeera. Just give like 10 seconds. Bring onion. We're going to saute our onion. Cooking onion for 1 minute. I'll add ginger. Mix it well. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. I'll add all the spices: black pepper, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, red chili flakes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, keep mixing and cook the spices along with tadka for half a minute. Add sweet potato and lima beans. Mix it well. Once all the vegetable is nicely combined with tadka, bring the gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes with the cover lid. I'm going to turn the fan on. Mix it. After mixing it well, I'll add garam masala and kasuri methi. It's a good idea to crush it between your palm. If there is a big strand, you can pull it out. Mix it well. Once the garam masala and kasuri methi is nicely mixed, spread it evenly. Bring the gas to medium-low, which is number 2. Cover with the lid. Cook it for 10 minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes of cooking on medium-low flame. Turn the fan on. After 5 minutes, I did open it and stir it once. Mix it well. Dish is all ready and I'm going to dish out. Turn off the gas. My serving platter ready and I'm going to dish out. Look at this. How delicious lima bean recipe. It's so quick and easy to make. Let me share with you. It's a quick and easy vegetarian dish, lima bean with the sweet potato. It's so delicious. You always can serve as a side dish. And it's very tasty. Please try it. And if you like this dish, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.